San Miguel Corporation President and CEO Ramon Ang is volunteering to help solve the flooding problem in Metro Manila at no cost to the government or the public. Ang makes this vow in the presence of Metropolitan Manila Development Authority Chair Don Artes and several Metro Manila mayors on Friday, August 8.
Ako po, San Miguel, Ramon Ang, nagbo-volunteer ako ngayon. Ako nang tutulong sa buong Metro Manila sa baha. At no cost to the people, at no cost to the government. Kahit yung eskwela, gusto mo, bibili na ako ng lupa, kapalin doon. Tatayuan ko ng kapalin na eskwela. At yung housing, bibili na rin ako lupa. Para tayuan ng pabahay yung mga tao doon. Para lang alisin natin yung mga pabahay at eskwela sa ibaba ng ilog. Kaya, pag may problema, huwag kayo magduduruan, di ba? Hanapin natin yung problema, imbestigahan natin.
The Tycoon proposes the removal of waste and structures built along rivers, saying they block water flow toward drains and creeks. He adds that as houses along rivers are cleared, residents should also be provided with relocation sites.
I take it upon myself. I will cooperate with all of you at no cost to you guys. Kami na gagawa. Wow! Ang daming solution, ang daming pera pinag-usapan. Kami na gagawa. San Miguel lang magki-clearing. Pero without you guys authorizing us, hindi namin magagawa yun. Paano namin pubunutin mo ngayon? But with MMDA and mayors, ay lahat ng obstruction yun, buhunin natin para mawala na yung baha.
Heavy rains in recent weeks left several parts of the country submerged, with critics blaming the widespread flooding on substandard infrastructure. Transportation Secretary Vince Dizon previously said the ongoing construction of the MRT-7 and Skyway Stage 4 contributed to the flooding in Quezon City, particularly along Commonwealth Avenue. The MRT-7 and Skyway Stage 4 are projects being developed by San Miguel Corporation. However, San Miguel said MRT-7 structures were not the cause of flooding, as they were built outside existing drainage lines and did not obstruct the flow of water. In his fourth State of the Nation address, Marcos ordered the Department of Public Works and Highways to identify the flood control projects under his administration that were failures, unfinished, or ghost projects.